What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage today at the auction, and I have got a beauty of an ES300 hybrid. You ever seen those Michelin tires? They're pretty wild, aren't they? My uncle, I think they're called cross climates. My uncle has a set on his Ford Fusion hybrid, and they are super smooth. We got a 13 ES hybrid trade-in at the Lexus dealership with 176,000 miles, and this thing is nice. Being black, it does have a few little rock chips here and door dings here and there, but it's auction morning and it's jumping around here, so we're not going to waste any time, because I mean, literally, if I stop for a second, I'm in the way. Alright, let's drive this thing. This thing's nice. It's loaded. It's got heated steering wheel. It's got the cooled seats too. This must be like a premium package. Doesn't have a pano sunroof, but it does have a regular sunroof, of course. Got the nice wood steering wheel. So it's a higher option, yes. Like I said, probably the premium package. What is this guy doing in this ProMaster? My God. Come on, man. I mean, he doesn't even see me. This thing is really sweet. I mean, it's so smooth. I've never driven one of these hybrid ES's, but this thing is very, very electric and very smooth. The gas engine just fired to life. Let's go take her down the test track real quick. Let's see, what time is it? Is it 8? It's 8 o'clock. Okay. Auction starts at 9, and boy, they get out here at about 20 or 15 till 9, and man, they start shutting you down on test drives. So you race here. They open at 7:30, so it doesn't give you a lot of time. So you race here, and it's like a mad dash. Everybody's running to the cars. Because yesterday at about 4 o'clock after work, it was 110 heat index. Imagine getting in this triple black. Yes, good Lord. It was just too hot like yesterday afternoon. Why does everybody keep reversing? Do we have a broken down car on the track? That happens. I may be just checking the transmission out. Maybe I ought to do that. Is that something you're supposed to do? No, I better not. There's people behind me. Let's go. We're in the power mode. Okay. That's the plastic key retaining zip tie. You know, it's not very quick at all. But it's okay. I mean, it would be perfect for a commuter, man. Stick this thing on the interstate and just roll. Just roll. I imagine this is sporting Toyota's wonderful 2.5 4-cylinder with a, of course, the hybrid pack riding along. Throwing a few extra HPs on there. I'm not sure how much these things make. I want to say, what, maybe low 200s in the horsepower range. They're not, you know, they're not lightning quick by any means. But it's a beautiful car. And it's smooth as freaking glass, man. Good backup camera to be. How old did I say this thing was? At 13? Yeah, good backup camera. I'm able to dial her right in. Yeah, buddy. Look, no wear and tear. I mean, I like this. People that buy a luxury car and, you know, have it detailed from time to time. Look, there's no hand grease. You know, none of that crap. Look at that. Look at that gated shifter. This is a 176,000 mile ES. Seats, just a little bit of bolster wear on the driver's side too. Nothing bad. No headliner stuff. Alright, sunroof works. Check all the windows. Windows work. My brother's always like, check the radio. Radio is like the last thing I care about, but it's probably number one on everyone else's list. I wonder if that's Mark Levinson. Yep, sure is. There's his name right there. Got the Eco, the Sport, the EV mode. I guess you can just roll straight EV for a few miles. Yeah, this is a nice car, guys. Nice car. Will probably bring too much money for me, but I don't know. Maybe not. Sometimes people are scared of hybrids, especially higher mileage ones. So let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.